Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to Mr. Techfox. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the time format in Google Sheets. So here you can see that this is a Google document and now I'm going to copy these times. So I'm copying them and I'm going to go on this Google Sheet. Now I'm going to paste all of them here. So I'm pasting it here. And now if I keep only values, here you can see that the time format has been changed. But my time format was 3:30 p.m. On the other hand, it is showing 15:30. So we are going to change it. Let's do it. So first of all, select all of the cells and then choose format. Now go to number. Here you will see all of the formats. So choose the format whatever you want. So I'm going to choose again this 3:59 p.m. And that's all about today's video. Now you know how to change the time format in Google Sheets. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.